These superstars looking for a victory. Look,
great counter. And there's the reversal. Oh, out of nowhere.
Sometimes all it takes is a basic strike. Rusev.
He may have to tap out right here. He's wearing him down with a very effective submission hold. Rusev debuted at the 2014 What a win! Man, he's got to feel great.
Here's your winner, Rusev!
Wow, what a match. What an effort by these combatants, and boy, did that submission hold look painful.
You're right about that, Cole. I'm glad that was him and not you or I in that ring, in that hold. Man, you can bet there's going to be a celebration tonight.
And it looks to me like our winner is already thinking about the next match. Always one step ahead.